welcome to Brilliant IT. Today's video I show you how to recover file, photo, video from your USB flash drive, memory card or pen drive. Okay, so I give you the all process. Please follow my step carefully, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon, and also share the video if you think it is helpful for you. Okay, let's go to the Google, then write it down, DMDE. Okay, careful, DMDE, then search, this is the website, dmde.com. Then click on here. Okay, write down, this is the software. If you press here, see all version, you can get it. Okay, so if you want this one, I want 64-bit Windows 7. I click on here. If you have a different version of computer, Windows, for example Windows 11 or 10, you click on here. Okay, I click on here directly, then download start. You see, I do all the things in live in front of my audience. Okay, then cut, then struct here. This is all file over there, and I install it English. Okay, so it's done, it almost done. Then I put my pen drive now in my USB. So you can put your USB flash drive or SD card here. I put my pen drive over there, and you see, this is my pen drive. Okay, this is my pen drive, and scan now. At the moment scanning. So you have to wait, I think 2 to 3 minutes. After that it show the data, you lost data. Okay, let's see what going to happen. So you have to wait 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after that you have to click the scan. Okay, so scan is start, and after scanning complete, it show your deleted file over there. So you have to wait for it, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now scan complete. Do you wish to save the scan log? Okay, so you have done it, recovery is done. If you want to save your this deleted document, press yes, and I select desktop, then save. Okay, I click on here, FAT2. Now see, all deleted file is over there. If you need this one, you just click on here. Okay, you have to click on here, or you have to copy whatever you like. You can copy all those things over there. So you can do it like this. So I got my all deleted file. So that's today this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also follow me if you like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.